Comparing the best smart video doorbells, Ring, Arlo, and Google Nest. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart video doorbells to help you choose the best one for your home. We're comparing Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, and the Google Nest Doorbell Battery. These three are among the top contenders in the market. Let's break them down by features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Let's start with an overview of these video doorbells. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is a feature-rich device offering 1536p HD plus video resolution with head-to-toe viewing, enhanced motion detection, and customizable privacy zones. Its battery-powered design ensures flexibility in installation, and it integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa for voice commands and notifications. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell provides a 180-degree viewing angle in 1080p HD resolution. It's equipped with night vision, a built-in siren, and motion alerts. Unlike the Ring, Arlo focuses on compatibility with multiple ecosystems, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. The Google Nest Doorbell Battery combines modern aesthetics with impressive features, including HDR video and a 3.4 aspect ratio for a taller field of view. It integrates seamlessly with Google Assistant and features advanced AI for distinguishing between people, animals, and packages.